Okay, now we are printing with multiple heads on Petri dish. So in the main menu on macros, go to Petri dish multi-head printing and click take to position, and it will tell you insert Petri dish on the bed. So just insert the Petri dish and push this knob and just tighten this. So after that click OK. So it will give you into center position. Okay, now the machine is saying wait for the access to stop, insert first barrel and connect hose. So we are inserting the first barrel and it should be touching the Petri dish. So connect the first hose. So connect it firmly. Then tighten the screw. Click OK and wait for the access to stop. So now insert the second barrel and connect the second hose and make this to touch on Petri dish and tighten the screw. Click OK. Now insert the third barrel. And connect the third hose. So make sure this is also touching the Petri dish bottom. Tight it and check all are firmly tighted. Click OK. So now we are going to give pressure and try extruding. So now all the pressure in head 1, head 2, H3, H4 are set into 0. So I am changing it to 0.5 bar for the first head and even for all the heads. So I can click 0.5 and OK. 0.5 OK. So now all the barrels pressure has been set to 0.5 bar. Now click head 1, extrude 10 mm. So the material is coming fine. So we can go to head 2, extrude 10 mm. So now we can see it's too much. So we should reduce the pressure on H2. So I am giving it to 0.3 bar. And again I am trying for head 2. So now it is fine, extruding third head now. So in third head also the pressure is high. So we can reduce the pressure to 0.3 bar and once again try extruding to head 3. So now the pressure is fine. So if we want to adjust the pressure while running, we can do it later. Now click OK and make next step is position XY center. So make sure the nozzle is touching on the bed and it should not be too much tight. Then click OK. So now it is saying if found OK, go to job section and click for G code. So in file section, jobs, so in Petri dish, so we are selecting cube lattice H1, H2, H3, 0.4 mm nozzle. So select that file, click yes. Now the printing will start. So after each hits, it will automatically switch to the next head and it will print. So now the multi-head printing is done. So once the printing is finished, it will go into the home position, wait for it, and you can take out the Petri dish. So for taking it out, just loosen this knob and take the Petri dish. Okay, now we will continue this multi-head printing with glass plate also. So go into dashboard, on this, go up, and here glass plate multi-head printing. Click on that and click take to position before. Okay, take to position. So it is telling you to insert glass plate. So we are placing the glass plate and push against the wall and tighten this. So now we need to level all these three nozzles. So make sure you are loosening these barrels. So keep it loose, so it should freely move up and down. So it should freely move up and down. So then click OK. Wait for the homing and it will take the nozzles into its position. So now just touch these nozzles on the bed. So make sure it is just touching and just tighten the screws. So make sure it's firm. Click OK. And proceed to next step. So now we can do extrusion testing if we want, but we have already tested the extrusion rate. So we have set the pressure according to the material. So we can skip this extrusion testing process. Now click position XY center. So check the nozzle for contact with bed. So it is fine. Now click OK and now go to Files, Jobs, Glass Plate, and multi-head. So cube lattice H1H2H3 0.4 mm nozzle. Click on that and give yes. So now multi-material printing on glass plate is done. So as usual, wait for homing and loosen the bed, and you can take out the sample. On the bed and take out the sample. Thank you.